Hi guys, it's Sun Yi here, and I'm ready to give you the lowdown on the latest Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 14-inch. As a product manager, I'll be geeking out over the laptop specs and features, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. This year, Yoga Slim 7 takes a precise CNC unibody on A cover and C cover with 6000 series aluminum. It feels incredibly solid, especially when you press against the C cover. And get this, the Yoga Slim 7 is seriously thin. I'm talking thinnest in the entire Yoga line kind of thin, at just 13.9mm. It's thinner than a lot of laptops out there. It's also impressively lightweight. For a 14.5-inch laptop, it only weighs 1.3 kg. So, if you are after a laptop that's not going to weigh you down, the Yoga Slim 7 is where it's at. Now let's take a closer look at the Yoga Slim 7 and some of its seriously cool design features. First up, you might have noticed that on both sides, we have this shiny polished sidewalls, which is Yoga's special high polishing process, giving it a much smoother and shinier finish. Take a look at the A side of this laptop. You might be wondering what's up with that wrist section, right? That's where we'll put the camera and the microphone. And let me tell you, it's not just a design choice, it's all about giving you the best possible experience. By making this bump, we'll manage to reduce the size of the top bezel and maximize the screen-to-body ratio. Plus, it's super easy to open and close with just one hand. Next, those gaps on both sides of the hinge and C cover, you might seem like a small detail, but trust me, they make a huge difference in the overall fineness of the product. You see, this generation of Yoga Slim 7 has a brand new process that controls the difference in gap size between left and right sides. The difference is no more than 0.15mm. We wanted to maintain the overall sleek and seamless look on the C cover, but here's where things get really interesting. We actually placed the antenna inside the hinge. It's a super innovative way to save internal space and give you better connectivity. Let's take a closer look at the D cover. You see those openings. Instead of going for the track hole that you see on a lot of other laptops, we went all out with high-speed drilling using CNC machining. Much smaller, much dense holes that give the whole thing a sleek look. And then there are those screws. They are not the normal screws. They've got a sand pattern, a brushed texture, and a color that matches the D cover. It's all about that cohesive look, so everything looks like it belongs together. Next, let's talk about the screen on this thing. It's a 14.5-inch pure-set OLED screen with 3K resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. The colors on this screen is amazing. It got 100% P3 color gamut, and the screen has been calibrated before it left the factory. The delta E is less than 2, so you know that what you are seeing is accurate and true to life. And let's not forget about the brightness. This screen can reach a peak brightness of 600 nits. So even if you are outside in the blazing sun, you are still able to see what's on the screen. But it's not just about the colors. The screen is also easy on the eyes. Thanks to the TUV Relined eye-safe certification, it releases less blue light than those LCD screens, so you can use it for longer periods of time without feeling your eyes are about to fall out. Check out the A cover. It's one of the thinnest grades you can get right now. We already covered the screen, so let's start from B cover. We've got the thinnest camera Lenovo has ever made. But that's not all. This camera has a special feature called VHDR. It lets the camera capture your face even in backlighting, so no more struggling to unlock your laptop in tricky lighting conditions. Now let's talk about the speakers. We've got the best in the game. 6 speakers with back-to-back subwoofers. Seriously, play some tunes and feel the bass thumping. It's next level. And we've also got 4 microphones, plus voice recognition so that your microphone will only pick up your voice. You can have meetings in noisy environments without any distractions. Moving to the keyboard, we've got the latest and greatest from Yoga, the 1.5mm key travel and the 0.3mm dish keycap give you the best possible typing experience. And the touchpad is massive. It's the size you normally see on a 16-inch laptop, and we've managed to cram it into a 14.5-inch devices. When you are buying a laptop, performance is the key, and that's where Yoga Slim 7 really shines. We've got a special collaboration between AMD and Lenovo, the R7-7840S CPU. And this isn't your average CPU, it's packaged using the next-gen LP8 technology. So you are getting a laptop with the latest, most advanced technology on the market. And the S at the end of the CPU name is stand for performance per watt. It's currently the best in the game. As a product manager, I'm often working on dozens of PPT and Excel in the same time, but this laptop handles it all like a champ. And that's not just because of the CPU. It's also thanks to the OLED screen we are using. It's got the latest E6 luminescent material and T-Con, which makes the panel the best power consumption panel in the world. When you pair that with the unique LP8 CPU, you are looking at some really impressive battery life. Alright, let's take a look under the hood. We've got a dual fan, dual heat pipe cooling system. Even with a slim profile of just 13.9mm, this laptop can still deliver 30 watts TDP. But we are not done yet. Check out the battery. We are talking about a 70 watts-hour battery in a 14.5-inch laptop. You can go all day without worrying about running out of juice. With killer cooling, a massive battery, and unbeatable sound, this laptop is the ultimate whole package. Overall, if you are looking for a laptop that looks as good as it performs, the Yoga Slim 7 is the way to go. It's sleek, it's solid, and it's got everything you need to get the job done in style. Thanks for watching our Yoga Slim 7 product review. If you've got any thoughts or opinions on the Yoga Slim 7, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks again, we'll see you in the next one.